Why would you want to give one more rep, even if no one's counting, even if no one's watching? That's a philosophy that drives us as a business. There's a lot of things that we do that nobody notices. There's a lot of attention to detail that we spend hours thinking about when maybe nobody even cares, but it's our philosophy and approach to everything that we do that makes us different. One of our first products was an Olympic plate, a very simple product made up of 4 weights covered in rubber. That's where our roots came from. We felt that it was important to develop something that not only looked good, but performed better than anything else on the market, that outlasted anything else that was on the market. If we want to be one of the leading companies in our industry, then the only way we're going to be able to do that is to take control of the whole process from beginning to end, from the raw material to developing the product, to checking the product, to shipping the product into the market. If you have inconsistent materials to use from, then you're going to have an inconsistent product at the end, and that's going to materialize in your product that you purchase from Escape will at some point fail if it's not made correctly. So the only way we could ensure that that product didn't fail was to make sure that we've got control of all of these different details and processes, including things like the glues and the rubbers and the stickers and the chromes and the steels that are being used. We decided to open our own factory, which at the time was almost like an impossible mountain to climb. And we partnered up with Jasper and together opened a factory in China. And rather than just following the processes that were in place and the way people made products at the time, my father had a vision for creating a production line to the same standards that you would do if you opened it in Europe. We're not doing what we do to maximize the revenue that we make from our products. We do what we do because we have our own standards about the products that we put our name on. What drives us is selling a product to a customer that we meet in 3, 4, 5, 6 years' time and remembers what we've done and remembers our name and decides that they want to invest with us again. That's what drives us. We've been in this business for 20 years and I still keep in touch and I still have a very good relationship with the people that we met 20 years ago, and I hope to still be here in 20 years in the future. So that our reputation is attached to every single product that we sell, which is why we put so much effort into everything we develop and why we have a vision to continue to get better, to continue to improve our efficiencies, to continue to improve their performance, and to continue to make wonderful products that people want to go up and use and get the results that they need to from exercise and working out.